Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are in a good condition. Today Auntie Dita would like to show you how to decorate this one. This is cash register by using origami paper. So what do we need is origami paper, any color, okay, and glue and scissor. What do you need is you need to cut the paper into a small pieces. You have to fold the paper. You can use any color. Fold it like this and cut that one. And into some shape. We will cut it into square shape. You can ask the help from your mommy. So Auntie Dita has this one, any size, okay, and then we cut it. It's up to you. It's the size is up to you. So we are going to make the collage from origami paper. Okay, we have already cut the origami paper into small pieces like this. We can use that one. So this is still empty and we are going to start to decorate it. I take the glue and then I start with the red one. I put the glue here and I start to stick. Okay, I finished with this part, and then we are going to decorate all this one until this one. Okay, now I can show you. This is my creation. Easy, right? You can ask the help from your parents and you will do the same. Don't forget to take a picture of your work after you finish decorate this cash register. And do you know that this is a cash register and this is the scanner? So the scanner has a function to detect the price of the things that you buy. Okay, that's enough for today. It's about art, making a collage of cash register. See you on the next video. Bye.